India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of East Reach. East Reach and where it heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In your will be and prosperity. Allow lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, today's thought is brought to you by G. Ashwita from Grade-VII Sapphire. Real education is not just learning facts, but about learning how to live with honesty, respect and kindness. I like to repeat once again. Real education is not just learning facts, but about learning how to live with honesty, respect and kindness. Thank you. The government has announced ambitious goal of attracting 21 lakh crore investments in the life science sector by 2030 and creating around 1 lakh jobs in the process. Sports news. The Indian national cricket team lost the second ODI against Australia team by 2 wickets. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by MD Garib Pasha from Grade-VII Sapphire. Word integrity meaning being honest and having strong moral principles. Sentence we must show integrity when no one is watching us. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Vidya of Grade-VII Sapphire. Today I am here to tell a story on the honesty woodcutter. Once upon a time there was a poor woodcutter who lived in a small village. One day while cutting a wood near a river, the axe slipped from his hand and fell in the water. The river was deep and he was very sad. Suddenly a beautiful fairy appeared. She asked, "Why are you crying?" He said honestly, "I lost my axe in the river. I lost my axe in the river." The fairy dived into the water and taken came golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" He said, "No, that's not my axe." And again she went and she brought out silver axe. She said, "Is this yours?" He told, "No, that's not mine." Finally she brought out his old iron axe. He smiled and said, "Yes, that's my axe." The fairy was so impressed by his honesty and gave all three axes gold, silver and iron as a reward of his truthful honesty. Friends, can you tell what is the moral of the story?
Should be honest.
Yes, all pick the correct answer. And the moral of the story is honesty is best policy. Thank you. And my dear friends, happy morning. My name is Abhishek of Saint Sapphire. Today I want to remind you about something we all need. Today in this busy world, we often forget kindness, respect and honesty. A person may be having money and success, but without good values, life feels empty. When we speak truth, help others, and respect teachers and parents and elders, we spread light in the world. So friends, let us promise live with honesty, kindness and respect. My dear friends, moral values are not the words. They are the real strength of life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. Today's news is brought to you by dear Nandan of Grade-VII Sapphire. News. The bus traveling to Hyderabad to Bengaluru, 40 passengers went up flame after moment after impact. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Grade-VII Sapphire. Today weather report is brought to you by Esapurva. It's gonna be mostly cloudy and thunderstorm excepted. Wind speed will be moderation. There is a change that humidity can increases up to 80%. Now the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Questions are brought to you by Transition from Grade-VII Sapphire. Question for Grade-VII. What will happen if we tell lies all the time? Yes, you pick the right answer. And answer is people will stop believing you even when you speak truth. Moral? Always be honest. Question for Grade-VIII. What is heavier of 1 kilogram of kindness or 1 kilogram of gold? I'll repeat my question. What is heavier of 1 kilogram of kindness?
Can't you see what is heavier?
What is heavier of 1 kilogram?
Is there off? Do you see off there?
What?
Anywhere off?
What is heavier? 1 kilogram of kindness or 1 kilogram of gold? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is both the weight same. But kindness is more valuable. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. What can you give to everyone even when your pocket is empty?
Love and happiness.
Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is a smile. Opens questions for all. If you borrow a pencil from your friend, what should you return? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is the same pencil, not a shorter one. Question number 2. Why did the honest student never needed an eraser during exams?
He never take in exam.
Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is because he never cheats. Let us appreciate them. What grow when you share it with others?
Love and happiness.
Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is love and happiness. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. That's the end of GK questions.